Let's start cooking this delicious dinner. To marinate the chicken, add 1 egg white. Add 1/2 cup of cornstarch. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chicken powder or MSG, 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. Mix it well. Add 300 grams of chicken, cut into small strips. Marinate the chicken for 30 minutes. Fry the chicken until light golden. Instead of stir-frying, we are deep-frying to get more crunchy and flavorful chicken. To avoid the extra fat, stir-frying is a healthy option. Set aside. We are using Chowmein noodles 360 grams pack. Boil it according to package instructions. Egg noodles or regular noodles can be used in this recipe. After draining water, rinse it with cold water. Then try to drain water very well. Spread the noodles on a big pan so they will not stick. We already prepared vegetables for the recipe. 2 cups of sliced mushrooms. 1 cup of green pepper cut into small strips. 1 tablespoon of ginger. 1 tablespoon of garlic chopped. 2 cups of cabbage. 1 cup of carrot. 2 cups of spring onions. Separate the green parts for garnish. Add 1/4 cup of oil to the pan. Add garlic and ginger and sauté till it changes its color on medium-high heat. Add mushrooms. Sauté for 5 minutes on medium heat. After 5 minutes it will look like this. Add cabbage and carrots. Then sauté it for a little bit. Add green peppers and onions, and sauté it for 30 seconds. Now add fried chicken. Sauté it well. Add noodles and mix it well. Add 1¼ teaspoons of salt. 1 tablespoon of chicken powder or MSG. 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. And 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix it well. Adjust the salt according to your taste. Add green onions and mix it. Delicious chicken chow mein is ready to serve. Enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.